Hi everyone, I'm giving you an update on the daylilies around the deck, and oh my goodness, I wish we could just capture this moment and have them look this way all the time. Let me show you a couple of my favorites today. Look at that beauty. I love these. It makes me so happy to see them all in bloom. We got a lot of really tall ones this year. Maybe the, I don't know, Miracle Grow really worked. Look, this is Big Fuss. Oh my gosh. So let me hold my hand up. Yep, it's big. Very, very big. Love Big Fuss. Here's Carlotta. Carlotta is probably my favorite red. That orange throat is gorgeous. Look at these. So pretty. And just the collection of them all together, it looks like this little meadow all around the deck. And I even like all these various colors here. It really is something. Here's a cute tiny one. See if I can see the sign. This is pocket change. Adorable. Oh, and look at this. That is just amazing. I believe this is Ruby Spider. And here we have Inmost Heart. Love that. Look at how they cluster together. So pretty. Here's Outrageous. This is South Seas. I feel like this might be Fat and Sassy. So bright. This looks like Valley Monster to me. Yep, Valley Monster's another big one. But just gorgeous.